Good day guys, I'm your online training tutor today. I'm Alex from the group Syntax Enemy. Today, we're gonna present about the PHP framework Laravel, and some basic elements and functionalities implemented in our sample application entitled School Management System, which is programmed using this framework. Let's go. In our system, we have 4 roles, which is admins, teachers, parent, and students. Let's go through our system from the login page. This is our login page for users to input their email and password. If the user enter wrongly, the reminder will be displayed. Once the authentication is success, user will be directed to our dashboard. Admin can view profile to check his or her information displayed correctly, else they may edit their profile. Then, they may manage the class's data such as edit, delete and assign subject to the specific class. Admin may access and manage all the data in the system, including the subject's data. This is how the admin can add a subject to a class. The required information is the name, subject code, and description of the subject and assigned to which teacher. Now, we assign the class we created just now to a class. Subject assigned successfully. Then, let's move to the other pages such as teachers, parent, student list. Admin can manage all this data and all assigned class to specific student. This is the attendance page. Admin can generate the attendance of the class after they selected the month and click Generate button. This is the page that allow admin to assign role to specific user. And then this is the page, admin create new role and assign permission to specific role. Coding expansion section now. Are you ready? Let's start with a database seeder. Seeder is used to create dummy data or sample when we run the command php artisan db seed. These are the data we created for this presentation. We created one user for each role such as admin, teacher, parent, and student. Next, this is web.php used to control routes. The \home is the URL will be displayed in web browser. The home controller alias index means this route will point to the index function in home controller. The last part is the label of the route. The routes can be grouped by middleware such as role. The routes inside the curly brackets means under the group. These are routes under group teacher, group parent and group student. Then, controller part. Programmer create functions such as create, read, update, delete. Another function here. Normally programmer name the controller by the name of the model such the model name is teacher. Normally we name the controller for the teacher model as teacher controller. This is the class controller. You can see the index function here. We will search and get the class data from the database, and we can add some filter to the search process and pass to the front end of the system. This is the view that we want to return to the user, and this is the data we pass to the view. Then this is the create function. Store function. These are the validation we did when we insert data to database. After that we pass the validated data to the create function of the model. Then redirect user to the page we want. Except the basic function, this is the function we created to direct the user to the assigned subject page. We get the data of the subject and pass to the view. After that the store assigned subject is to insert the record to the database, then the user will be redirected to the page index. Next the subject controller. We will go through the function when there is any function you guys interested in. You may record the name and ask our team member when the Q&A section. The teacher, parent, student controller will consist of the similar function as subject controller. The only difference is the model we use is not the same. Teacher controller is related to teacher model and parent controller will implement the parent model. I know you guys wonder, where is the if-else statement? We will show you at the next controller, which is attendance controller. The attendance controller, we get the attendance data from database by the filter that user selected in the provided user interface. We check whether there is a request consists the data of type and month. If the request included class data, we will search and get the attendance data from the database and return to the view and display the data we get to the user. This is the code for a view of the attendance. We use for loop to display the variable in the attendance model such as id name and status. If attendance status equal to true, then a green indicator will be displayed, else red indicator displayed. This is the role assign controller. It consists some basic functions such as index, create, store, edit, update and destroy. This is role permission controller is used to group the function related to the role and permission. Admin can manage the role and permission data. Are you okay, guys? We break for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, we will log in as a teacher. This is the dashboard we created for the teacher. The assigned subject will be displayed to the teacher, and teachers may update attendance by clicking the attendance button below each of the class. Then, we will log in as a student. Let's go. This is the dashboard for the student users. They may see their information at the home page together with the subject and classes they enrolled. Lastly, we will log into the parent account to see what is inside. Here we go. This is the dashboard for parents. They may view children recorded in this system and view their information. They may check their children attendance, so watch out, guys, don't play. We purposely display a function which parent is not accessible to show your guys that the function is grouped by user's role. Thanks for watching. See you.